Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to make Lesan Asfour. So this is Helen Tanyamar. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Wanna know how? Let's go! I use breast chicken, macaroni number 41 or the Lesan Asfour, salt. We also need KDD cream, ketchup, butter, and tabaka umi spices you can order and it will deliver to you. And also we need 2 magic cubes and some of the spices I'll write it down below in the description. We also need dill leaves, 1 cup, okay, and then 2 onion, some garlic, and tomato paste. And this will be our spices for our chicken letter. So first step, we're going to cut the breast chicken into cubes or squares like this. So it's very quick and simple. So once our chicken is cut, we're going to boil it. So I use the hot water. And then when it get boiled, we're going to remove the white one from the top. This one, okay? And then this time we're going to add the spices. The spices tabaka ome, you can order it and then you can call the number and it will deliver to you, especially here in Kuwait. You have to try it, guys, and it's very good spices. So while we wait for our chicken, we're going to boil our Lesan Asfour. So we add a little bit of oil, and then when it get boiled, we're going to add our macaroni number 41 or the Lesan Asfour. Then just mix it. And then we add a little bit of salt. So this time our Lesan Asfour is done. So we're going to remove the excess water from the steamer. And after that, we put it back to the pan. And in this time, we put it on the low fire and then we add butter. Half of the butter. And then we add the dill leaves. So while we add the dill leaves, we're going to mix it. So after we mix the dill, we're going to add the KDD cream. Then we just mix it again. So just taste it, and if you need some salt, you just add some salt, okay? So after we mix it, we put it on the Pyrex because after we put it here, we're going to put it in the oven. So this time it's already done. So we're going to cook our toppings or the chicken that we're going to put here from the top. So this time the chicken is done. So we're going to remove the water. So I put it in the steamer, and then this time we're going to preheat a pan and then add a little bit of oil. And then when it gets hot, we add the onion and garlic. And then just mix it. Let it cook a little bit. And then we add our chicken. So this time we're going to add the spices, and then we add tomato paste, then just mix it. So we just mix it. Shout out to Madam Ombader. And then next we're going to add some ketchup. It will be more sweet and it will add flavor to our chicken. Sweet like you. And then just mix it up like this, so it's a little bit saucy. And shout out also to Mama Nasina and Saboy. So now we're going to put it on the top of our Lesan Asfour. And thanks to Jana for the name she said for this Lesan Asfour. And then we add some KDD cream at the top, and then we put it on the oven up and down for about 20 to 30 minutes. So we check. So as you can see, it's done. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.